I'm Marty from Spring Ahead Media Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to take a contact who is currently listed as unsubscribed in your audience and change them into a subscribed contact. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and when you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and a little thank you in the comments. YouTube likes longer videos, but I like to answer your questions quickly. The techniques that I'm going to show you today are best for changing over one or two contacts. If you have a lot of contacts that need to be changed over, like you imported a whole list wrong, you're going to need a different video and a different strategy, so I'll list that one up here and in the description below. All right, let's dive right in. According to Mailchimp, there's two different kinds of unsubscribed contacts. There are the ones that you as an admin unsubscribed, and there are the ones that clicked an unsubscribe link. And Mailchimp treats those totally differently because if someone clicked an unsubscribe link, they don't want you as the admin to be able to overrule that status. But first off, right here, I have one that was an admin unsubscribe. In that case, you can go up to these three little dots here, and you can resubscribe them just by clicking this. And you'll see their subscription status changed. Now, if you go into the contact that you're working on and those three dots are not there, it means that they unsubscribed, and we need other strategies. Okay, so let's hop over to this other one. This one here says that, well, it was me. I unsubscribed. I actually clicked a reason to unsubscribe contact, and you'll notice no three dots. So we have a couple options here. One is under action, we can click resend confirmation. When you click this, they'll be sent an email with a button that they have to click to confirm that they want to subscribe to the email list. If they don't click it, they end up in a kind of no man's land where they're not subscribed and not unsubscribed. I'll show you what that email looks like, and then I'll show you a way to do it where we aren't asking them, we're just taking care of it. So over here, this is what this email will look like. It does show the name of the audience, so you need to be aware of what you're naming your audience is, and you can change the branding on this so it is your logo and things. But then again, maybe you don't want to bother them. In that case, you want to sign them up through an external sign-up form. And we're not allowed to do it from within Mailchimp. We need to kind of pretend that we are the subscriber who is subscribing for our email list again. Okay, I've jumped back into Mailchimp here. If you have a website where you have a sign-up form for your email list, you can just plug their email into that sign-up form. If you need a sign-up form, we're going to go over here to Audience, Sign-up Forms, scroll down here to Form Builder. This is our default sign-up form, and this is actually the branding that goes on all of the forms. So this is the same branding that we saw over there. If you wanted to change the design of that, you can do that here, a little extra. And then this is the URL for this form. So we're going to copy that and put it in a new browser. And now we are going to put in the email address. Be aware here that in this instance, if you leave these fields blank and they used to have something in them, the blank will override the content of those fields. So you will want to fill these out, or you'll want to export that unsubscribed contact before you resubscribe them, and then you can re-import them once they're subscribed. All right, this one's asking me to prove I'm human. There we go. And when I head back over to Mailchimp, there I am as subscribed. I hope that helped you out, solved all your issues. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Oh, I forgot to remind you to sign up for my email list. Do that too. And I will see you around.